Tips for improving positive self-talk. When it comes to personal growth, one of the most important things you can do for yourself is to cultivate a positive mindset. And one of the most powerful tools for doing so is positive self-talk. Positive self-talk is the internal dialogue we have with ourselves. It can be either positive or negative, and the way we talk to ourselves has a significant impact on our self-esteem, confidence, and overall well-being. Positive self-talk is a way to challenge negative beliefs and replace them with positive, empowering ones. Here are some tips for developing the habit of positive self-talk and reaping the benefits in your personal growth journey. Start by noticing your self-talk. The first step to changing your self-talk is to become aware of it. Notice when you are engaging in negative self-talk, and what triggers it. Is it a particular situation, person, or thought pattern? Once you start to notice the negative self-talk, you can begin to challenge it. Challenge negative thoughts. When you notice negative self-talk, challenge it by asking yourself whether it's true. Often, negative thoughts are based on false beliefs or assumptions that don't hold up to scrutiny. For example, if you find yourself thinking, "I'm not good enough," ask yourself what evidence you have to support that belief. You may find that there is little or no evidence to support it. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations. Once you've identified negative self-talk, it's time to replace it with positive affirmations. These are simple, positive statements that can help counteract negative beliefs. For example, if you find yourself thinking, "I'm not good enough," try replacing it with, "I am worthy and capable." Practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude is a powerful way to cultivate a positive mindset. Take time each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for, whether it's the people in your life, your accomplishments, or simply the beauty of the natural world. Focusing on gratitude can help shift your perspective and make it easier to engage in positive self-talk. Use visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool for personal growth, and it can be particularly effective when combined with positive self-talk. Take time each day to visualize yourself achieving your goals and engaging in the activities that bring you joy. Use positive affirmations as you visualize, and you'll find that you start to feel more confident and empowered. In conclusion, developing the habit of positive self-talk can be a game changer when it comes to personal growth. It takes time and practice, but with persistence, you can change your internal dialogue and cultivate a more positive mindset. By challenging negative beliefs, replacing them with positive affirmations, and focusing on gratitude and visualization, you can develop a strong sense of self-worth and achieve your goals. Remember, the way you talk to yourself matters, so choose to speak kindly and positively, and watch your personal growth flourish. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.